Opening the prosecution case, senior counsel Sean Gillan told the jury that after Ashling Murphy's body was discovered beside the Grand Canal outside Tullamore on the 12th of January 2022, the immediate concern was to identify the man who'd committed this brutal assault, what had happened in the lead-up, and work out what had transpired afterwards. He said an important development was that it became apparent that later that night, Jozef Puška returned to his home in Lenali Grove in Mucklagh, which he shared with the accused, his brother Marek Puška and his wife Josefina Grunzova, and his older brother Lubomir Puška and his wife Viera Gaziova. Mr Gillan said that at the core of this case was what Jozef Puška said during his time at home and what was observable about him in both his appearance and his demeanour. He said that afterwards Jozef Puška went to Dublin and was brought to hospital, and after Gardaí attended the hospital they contacted his family, with his brothers Marek and Lubomir agreeing to give witness statements. Mr Gillan said it's the prosecution's case that they effectively misled the Gardaí in terms of what they told them and didn't bring forward or disclose crucial, relevant information and in fact withheld it. He told the jury in particular they say that Marek Puška withheld that Jozef returned home with visible injuries, admitted killing or seriously injuring a woman with a knife, that Marek was aware of an arrangement to burn his clothing and that Jozef travelled to Dublin, while Lubomir Puška withheld the same information about Jozef's return and departure and that he admitted to cutting a woman with a knife. He said another aspect of significance was that Gardaí were very interested in finding the clothes that Jozef Puška was seen wearing on CCTV on the 12th, but when they searched Lenali Grove they couldn't find them. He said it's the state's case that when Jozef's sisters-in-law Josefina Grunzova and Viera Gaziova engaged with Gardaí, it became evident why they couldn't find them, and that was because the women had burned those clothes. Marek and Lubomir Puška have pleaded not guilty to withholding information which could have led to Jozef Puška's arrest, while Josefina Grunzova and Viera Gaziova have pleaded not guilty to assisting an offender by burning his clothes. The trial, which is expected to last up to 4 weeks, continues on Thursday before a jury of 7 men and 5 women and Miss Justice Caroline Biggs. Nicole Gernon, Virgin Media News at the Central Criminal Court.